Early Sunday morning, back on the James River. Gonna see if we can't catch some big ones today. My wife is here, hiding from the camera. It's her first time. See if we can get her on some fish. See what we can do. All right, so we pulled back on the same spot as yesterday. Different tide conditions. Just starting to come back in. So we'll see if we can get some bites. A lot lower. There you go. What are you gonna do? There we go. Big fish.
I got it.
I have to put on the camera. You caught one. It's a big one. Yeah, we're gonna work to get it off, but that's the first fish of the day. This baby. Babe, you're missing out? Babe, missing out on the giant? Hello? There he is.
Yes, babe.
Biggest one of the day. It's not big, but it's better than what we've been catching. Not bad. We'll take it. Babe, that was insane. Put him in the net.
That was crazy.
Look how fat that thing is.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that toad, guys. That's how fat it is. Literally, I busted my knee up, cut the camera off. I heard something going crazy. It was just a bait fish going nuts up there. I threw it over the chatterbait and it just drilled it. It's probably, I don't know if it's quite, probably 4 or something. So I'm gonna cut the camera off, get a weight on it. You probably didn't really see any of it, but let's see if we can find out. All right, so I took a weight on it, 4.52. It's just a short, super fat fish. Can't get her how fat it is. We're gonna go ahead and let it go. I'm interested to see what the footage looked like because it was behind the boat, so you probably couldn't hardly see any of the catch, but still a decent fish. All right, so we're gonna call it a day. That's a pretty good 4 hours. We ended up with 5 fish, I believe. Missed another one, so I guess 6 total bites. The best one I caught was 4.52, which was a pretty awesome catch. Sadly, I didn't get it on camera as well as I'd like to, but still a good fish. But we're gonna go ahead and go home and get something to eat. How was the day?
It was good.
Scared of the camera.
3.
She caught 3.